Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can block numbers on Motorola Moto G04 and G04s. In order to block a number, we need to first open the phone app over here. So let's go here. Now if you have a contact saved, then you can simply choose the contact that you want to block. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one as an example, and then over here where we have contact settings, we should have the option to block numbers. So let's tap. Now in addition to that, we also have an option to report as spam. Of course, if you don't want to report it as spam, then you can take over here, untick this box in order to not do that. And then we can tap block, and there we go. The contact is now blocked. On the other hand, if you don't have the contact saved, then we can go, for instance, to recents in order to find those that have called you recently. And then you can press and hold the contact or the number that has tried to reach you. Press and hold, and then we have block/report spam. So if you tap on it, then you can once again do the same thing. You can block the number, and additionally you can report as spam, and then you can block it. There we go. In order to unblock, you can simply press and hold the same contact, and then you have unblock option. Now if you have a message from someone that you want to block, then you can once again press and hold the message, and then over here you have this circle that is crossed. You can tap on it in order to block someone that has sent you a message. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.